My name is Asad Yaqub, and we are going to start with your IELTS speaking test. What's your good name?
My name is Majid Islam,
All
and you
right.
can call me Majid.
Okay, Majid. Do you work or study?
I am a student. I have done my bachelor degree. Now I want to apply for master's degree. That's why I'm doing the IELTS.
All right. Let's talk about the place where you live. What do you like most about your hometown?
I most like about my hometown is the traditional food and the old way of people living. Uh,
Okay, let's talk about music. How often do you listen to music?
Whenever I have free time, I like to listen to the music in my spare time. Mostly, I listen to the English music, and sometimes I often listen to my Pakistani Urdu music.
Okay. Do you prefer to buy CDs or download music from the internet?
Well, when I was a child, I used to buy CDs, but in advanced times, now I think there is no need to buy CDs. I can download the videos and whatever I like to watch, I can download and listen to them and watch them.
Right. Have you always liked the same kind of music?
No, not at all. Sometimes, if I keep listening to the same kind of music, I get bored. Then I try to listen other kind of musics.
All right, Machit, we now move on to speaking part two.
Okay.
And your topic is describe a time when you helped someone. Here is the topic, and you have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. You'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Ahmed is my classmate and he is one of my good friend. We often study together and unfortunately he was sick and could not attend the classes. After that, after like one month, he came back to school and then he realized that he skipped many lessons and he was worried about it. Then finally, helped him. Uh, I helped him to teach him the lessons that he skipped. Uh, then his mother was also worried about him. Uh, whenever we get free from the school, I directly go to his home to teach him the lessons that he skipped. In this way, he could prepare well for his final exams, and he was very happy. I think we should help other people's in different ways, like.
Okay, we now move on with IELTS speaking part three. Uh, why do sometimes people help their neighbors?
Because it depends on different condition, uh, like if in society there are rich and poor people, and if my neighbor are poor and I should pay attention to them, what they need I should give them if I have the ability, uh, because it's a good kind of habit to help
Okay,
other
do
people.
you think people help each other more now as compared to the past?
I think in the past time people like to help others. In these days, in the present, people are busy with work and other things, so they don't pay more attention to the other people's. They do their own work and take rest and keep on busy on their daily routine.
How do usually people help each other? Or how do people usually help each other? What do they do for each other? Okay, thank you. That's the end of your speaking test. Overall, it was fine, but in part three, you lost your confidence. So you should be confident for part three also. In part 1, your answers were short, so just try to add some more to your answer. And in part 2, you spoke for less than a minute, you stopped, and then I said carry on, and again you could not make it. So overall you spoke for 1 minute, but you stopped at 50 seconds. So try to speak more for speaking part 2 as well. And in part 3, understanding of the questions, answering the questions in detail, that is very, very important. But still, looking at your overall performance at present, I will give you 6. And if
Okay.
you only manage your time, you can reach 6.5 easily.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.